I've got a stitch fix. Stay tuned. Thank you for joining me today. If you're new here, I'd love to have you as a subscriber. If you'll click that picture just above me, that'll subscribe you to my channel so you won't miss a minute of the chaos. Doing a lot of pointing. I don't know what that's all about. Be sure and, I can't stop myself. Be sure and click the little bell below, more pointing. That way you get notified when I post so you don't miss anything. You won't want to miss anything. You just never know what's going to happen around here. I have another Stitch Fix. In case you've never bought Stitch Fix, it works like this. You pay a $20 stylist fee. You fill out a formula. You can even pin stuff onto your Pinterest board, and supposedly your stylist goes and looks at all that, reads your prior feedback, and then picks you clothes. It's super loud out there. Those are my kids going nuts. It's chaos here, I'm telling you. And supposedly those things helps your stylist pick out clothes that are for you. Now, I've had a stylist named Michelle who has provided me with lots of great clothes. I don't always buy them because I really have to like the way it looks. But the benefit of these kind of boxes is for people who don't always have the time to shop. I've always got my kids with me. I very seldom have a chance to just walk into a store and go shopping. So I hear that a lot. The price is a little bit higher than what you would buy, a lot higher than what you would buy at Target or someplace. But if you usually shop at Dillard's or departments or a boutique store or something like that, the prices are going to be comparable. And the great thing about Stitch Fix is that you can set the prices from low on up to high. I originally started about medium level because I wanted to make sure I was getting good quality. I saw that the quality is great. I've lowered my prices on some of the things. If you get a size that doesn't fit you, then you can go in and get a free exchange for the size that you want. I haven't done that. I've just been, if I find something that's too small, I just send it back and don't get a replacement. But you definitely can. So you pay the $20 and you get your stylist fee back if you buy anything. Also, if you buy everything in the box, you get a discount. So it behooves them to send you a bunch of stuff you like, and it's definitely a good discount for you to buy everything. Now, it's not a $20 coupon, it's just your styling fee back. Stitch Fix comes with a postage paid envelope. You toss everything in the envelope, you stick it in your mailbox, you raise the flag. Could not be easier. A fix with something extra. Now, this is a new thing they've just started. They include panties and bra if you want them. I did select a few things for that, and I'll show you those first. Let's read the letter from Michelle, who, that's not the letter, this is the letter, who's been my stylist now for some time, and who I am very happy with. And I probably got my who's and whom's wrong. I'm a homeschool teacher. What do you want? Hey, Michelle, thanks so much for your request. I have some fun spring finds for you to try, starting with the purple mix Hawthorne Brianna long sleeve knit cardigan, layered over your gray tee from your May fix or your white striped knit top from April 2nd. See how she's combining the clothes for me? And then if I look on this, it has more things. So it's they kind of style the outfits for you too. So I would just go in my closet and go, oh yeah, that gray tee will go with this cardigan. That kind of helps me, especially if you're as bad as I am about matching things up. An amazing spring and summer bottom is the white Just Black Rogers boyfriend jeans. Wear them with bright color tops from your current closet or the tops from this fix, including the crochet trim top and the pink V-neck knit top. I love the sound of pink. Sorry, I got excited. And lastly, I'm excited for you to try the Tom's sneakers and the white jeans. With Tom's, every pair you purchase, they'll give a pair to a child in need. Enjoy your fix, and I can't wait to hear your thoughts. X's and O's, Michelle. Okay, I'm excited. Hey, little things make me happy. Let's start. Maybe my undergarments are in here, but let's start with the Toms. Please let these Toms fit. I want a pair of Toms so much. Yes, you're my bestest friend. It has pink shoelaces. Please let these fit. I want these to fit. I've tried on Toms before, the normal kind, the slip-in kind without the laces. I've never seen them with laces. And my feet are too wide, and I mean they're not very wide. I'm guessing these won't fit either, but I'm gonna try them on. I love them. I absolutely love them. Michelle, I'm sure she watches. Doesn't everyone? Watch my channel, I mean. What's in here? Oh, me likey. That's fun. It's sleeveless, so I would definitely want to wear a little cardigan over it. I do not do sleeveless. Hello, goodbye. That kind of thing going on. You couldn't see it because I have sleeves on, so, you know, I like it. Oh, a blue shirt. Ooh, 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 yes, yes, yes. Now this is an extra, extra large, so it may be too big for me. Did I go up a size? I don't know, maybe she accidentally sent me extra, extra large. But this is nice, I like this a lot. I'll be surprised if I don't keep this. It has 2 layers down here. It's got a kind of a crepe and then more of a cotton. Oh, 2 crepe layers and cotton layer. I like it. Purple cardigan. This is nice. This is the one she was talking about. Would go with my gray shirt. I like this color a lot. Oh yay! I'm not gonna try this on for you now. Come on. It's a bralette, and the thing about the bralettes is that they're not really supportive, obviously, but they're nice for just wearing around and having comfort. Now I'm still nursing, so I definitely like comfort in my bras. But you know what? Even though I wasn't nursing, I'd still like comfortable bras. I hope this fits. This is super cute. My big concern is this going to irritate me? I get irritated. And then we have these white pants. These are actual button pants, not my fave, but we'll give them a try. Oh, these look super cute. And let's not forget these. They fit. I can't say they're the most comfortable shoes I've ever worn, but they fit, and I'm keeping them. What did you think? What were your favorite pieces? What do you think I shouldn't keep? I actually really like these 2 together. The white pants I love, but they're about this much too long and they're massively too big. So I think I'll send these back and get a smaller size. I'm still undecided. What do you think? Should I do have a pair of white capris, so I'm not sure how much action these would get. I just think the detailing with the, you know, with the holes, I actually think that's cute on these. I don't really usually love them on blue jeans, but something about them and these shoes, something about them I really like. I love the blue shirt, definitely getting that. I actually liked the kind of the sleeveless shirt, and I actually liked it sleeveless because the sleeves were here and not way up here. I would love your opinion on that. Thank you for joining me here today. If you're new, I would love to have you as a subscriber. I do makeup, skincare, hair, nails. I need help with fashion, so subscribe just so you can help me. It's chaos here all the time and you won't want to miss a minute of it. While you're waiting for my next video, here's one for you. Probably haven't seen that one. I think you'll enjoy it. Don't forget to tell me below what you think I should keep. Be blessed.